Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys doing well. So today we will be doing a very beautiful night scenery using the masking tapes in between, and we will be using very bright and beautiful colors, blue tones. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please press the bell button to know about my new videos. And if you like the videos, of course you can press the like button. So guys, let's get started with the painting. So we have used the masking tape just not to merge both sides first. I have used here three colors. The very first color that I used here was white, and the second color was cobalt blue, and the third color was ultra blue. And we will do the cloud part with a sponge. We'll grab some white color and randomly put the clouds to different parts of the sky. And with that we will be using a little bit of violet. So I've used very little violet color. And just to show its light, I'm going to be using very little amount of mid yellow with the white. Taking off our masking tape. Ultra blue with the phthalo blue, and then we're going to do the water part. I have used the cobalt blue over the top of the two colors that I used before. Now we're drawing a very little beautiful hut here. And we will connect that with the stairs to the down part. the same brush I have mixed a little bit of violet and blue color. I will be painting in between the stairs to show that they are connected to each other. Okay guys, now we're going to use a very small part of the sponge, and we will be using the mid yellow and white mixture, and we will dab it here. Brush and dab it into the yellow color, and just to give the impression of small little yellow flowers. Black color just at the very bottom and merge it with the other colors a little bit. So guys, I have sketched the boat area. Now we're going to fill it with the colors. The dark brown, or you can take the dark burnt amber with the black color, and I will be doing the very bottom part of the boat. And here is our final look. Okay guys, hope you like the painting. Please try it and let me know in the comment below section that you have tried this. Yeah, please press the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.